Hello and welcome to this video lecture. In this video, we will be talking about the definition of sequences. Definition of sequence. A sequence is a listing of numbers in a particular order. Any list of numbers can be a sequence regardless of whether or not they have a consistent rules of order. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, -3, 1.5, 9, 15, -21, and so on. Types of sequences. Generally, there are 4 types of sequences that appear on the GMAT. Arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers where 2 consecutive terms are separated by a constant common distance. The relationship between 2 consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence is given by a of n plus 1 equals a of n plus d, where d stands for the common distance between each number in the sequence. For example, the sequence of 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 has a common distance of 3 between any 2 consecutive terms. Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a list of numbers where 2 consecutive terms have a constant common ratio between them. The relationship between 2 consecutive terms in a geometric sequence is given by g of n plus 1 equals r times of whole of g of n, where r is the constant common ratio that separates each number in the sequence. For example, the sequence of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on, has a common ratio of 2 between any 2 consecutive terms. Arithmetic and geometric sequences appear most frequently on the GMAT. Fibonacci sequence. A Fibonacci sequence is a list of numbers where the sum of the previous 2 consecutive terms determines the value of the next term. The relationship between 3 consecutive terms in a Fibonacci sequence is given by f of n plus 2 equals f of n plus 1 plus f of n. For example, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. The next value is determined by the sum of previous 2 consecutive terms, such as 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 3 plus 5 equals 8. Cyclic sequence. A cyclic sequence consists of a repeated pattern of terms. If c of n plus 3 equals c of n, the cyclic sequence has a cycle of 3 terms. For example, the cyclic sequence of 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and so on has a cycle of 3 terms.